Magpipis ulit yung baby. Na? Mahulog ka, bebe. Hulog ka.
You have nothing to hide. Just be honest.
Do the Titans cause unnecessary damage when fighting crime?
Oh, very much, yes.
Si, magpipis ulit ka? Wala ka naman pera. Na, baby. Hulog ikaw. Mhm. Wala kang panghulog. Wala kang panghulog, bebe. Hulog ikaw, si. Wala. Naghahanap ka ng pera? Ha? Naghahanap ka ng pera? Uy, si Ryan, be. Si Ryan. Balo.
The defense may proceed. Your Honor, I would like to call a character witness. Beast Boy.
Hulog ka.
Cyborg comes too. Your Honor, you tell this fool he's a package deal.
Leon, package deal, counsel. Proceed.
Eh, huwag mo nang pipindot yan. Tara, babay na tayo. Tara.